Welcome student. After studying the structure of sugar molecule and heterocyclic bases, we are going to draw structure of nucleoside and structure of nucleotide. Now student, tell me what is nucleoside? Nucleoside. Nucleoside is nothing but a combination of sugar with heterocyclic base. Okay. Simply base, we can represent it by B and sugar is represented by S. So, sugar molecule and basic heterocyclic base combine, this type of bond form unit form, that chemical moiety or chemical unit is known as nucleoside. What is nucleoside? In nucleoside formation, sugar molecule and heterocyclic molecule combine together, that will form this type of unit, chemical substance or chemical unit, that is called nucleoside. Take one example. Suppose if I want to make the nucleoside of DNA. Okay, how? What is sugar molecule present? What sugar molecule present in nucleoside? In DNA, deoxyribose, as we know, CH2H, OH, OH, here H, H, OH, H. Okay. So, this is the structure deoxyribose, ribose sugar. Okay. Now, suppose take any base, adenine, for example, adenine. This is adenine molecule. In this reaction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, this adenine molecule going to react with sugar molecule in this way by losing water and form simply as it is like this. Okay. So, this is the combination of sugar molecule and adenine base, or simply here we can place A instead of whole structure, we can write A. So, this is the nucleoside. Okay. So, sugar base molecule going to attach at C1, okay, OH group of C1, and then form bond like this, or simply we can write like this, base A, H. So, this is nothing but nucleoside. Okay. So, in case of RNA, DNA, adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine, 4 type of heterocyclic bases present. Remember, DNA contain adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. Okay. But never contain uracil. And in RNA contain AGUC, but it never contain thymine. Okay. So, these are the 4 bases present in DNA and these are the 4 bases present in RNA. Okay. So, what about structure of nucleoside? In nucleoside, sugar molecule combined with heterocyclic base, one of the base like this, in this manner, and form nucleoside. Okay, getting my point? Sugar plus base that combine it for nucleoside. Now come to nucleotide. Nucleotide is nothing but combination of phosphate nucleotide. In nucleotide, phosphate group, okay, PO4 plus sugar in RNA plus base, any base, okay. These three components combined together, phosphate combined with this carbon number 1, carbon number 2, 3, 4, 5, this will lose water, here this will combine with base, and for O minus P O minus O CH2 OH H here base H. So this structural unit, phosphate group, sugar and base combined together in this way, that is known as nucleotide, okay. And such nucleotide, large number of nucleotide molecule having different combination with base combined together to form polynucleotide chain, that is nothing but nucleic acid, okay, that is nucleic acid. So getting my point, what is nucleoside? Nucleoside, in nucleoside base and sugar and base combine, in nucleotide phosphate, sugar and base, okay. So again I will try to explain in very simple manner. See, S stand for sugar, B stand for base, P stand for phosphate, okay. So what happen? Phosphate group, sugar plus base combine PSB, this is called nucleotide, okay. And large number of nucleotide combined together for polynucleotide chain, okay. I will explain how this polynucleotide chain form, which is nothing but DNA or RNA. See, polynucleotide chain of DNA, for example, okay. See, PO minus double bond O minus, this is attached to CH2 sugar molecule, this is OH H, here base means one of the base molecule, either adenine, guanine, cytosine or thymine, one of them will be present here, okay. This is one nucleotide, then another nucleotide, like this, H, OH, H, base H, okay. Second nucleotide, again we can draw third, O minus O, CH2 OH H base A, okay, and so on. First nucleotide molecule, for example, second and third. For just our simplification, I have taken only three nucleotide nucleotide, not all, okay. So see, very simple. Here carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, 4, 5 attach at phosphate group, first attach at base molecule, carbon number 1 of sugar molecule attach with base, carbon number 5 of sugar molecule attached to phosphate linkage, and one nucleotide molecule attach with another nucleotide molecule through C3 combine with each other like this and form polynucleotide chain, okay, and so on, here also like this. OCH2, I will draw base HO, now this PO minus O minus O CH2 H CH2 O H base H, again O P O minus O CH2 sugar base and so on. So this is the structure of polynucleotide chain. Here also this oxygen will going to attach at C3, this oxygen also going to attach at C3, and this is the polynucleotide chain, okay. So in DNA what is going to change? The main part is base molecule. Phosphate is fixed, sugar is fixed, this combination is also fixed, only base molecule going to vary. This base molecule may be A, G, C or T, okay, and this is the basic genetic information in the gene, okay. So it may be G, it may be A, it may be C or it may be T, okay. So this will going to change, otherwise remaining part as it is, phosphate group, sugar, phosphate, sugar, phosphate, sugar, they are only repeating, only what is varying part? Varying part is base molecule, okay. So this is the structure of polynucleotide chain, okay. So student, try to draw first structure of nucleoside is a combination of sugar and base molecule, then nucleotide is a combination of phosphate, sugar and base, this is nucleotide, and then link all these nucleotide molecule together, that will give us polynucleotide chain, okay. So try to draw this. In next class I will try to draw the complete structure of DNA. I think this is not in your syllabus, but if it is there then we will see in next class. Thank you very much.